Do not promote other people's content even if you have their permission. Reaction videos are okay where you comment on the original video. YouTube clarified their monetization policies with better examples that you need to know to keep from getting demonetized or YPP suspended. The link to this article is down there in the description below. I will go over the key ones that you need to be aware of. You cannot monetize collections of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission. The key used to be, if you have permission, it's okay. Not anymore. Do not create long play videos of people's music, even if they've told you it's okay. Do not promote other people's content, even if you have their permission. These are all of these Fortnite compilations where you're getting clips from different streamers and you are just putting them into a long play video. Even if you have their permission, that is not allowed and will get you demonetized when YouTube catches it. When are these allowed? When you only use clips for a critical review, which means you add human commentary over top of other people's content or music. Think of a movie review channel where they show clips of a full-length movie, but they add their critical review as their human commentary over top of those clips. That's okay. You can do dubbing. Take a scene from a movie where you've rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover. That's okay. Replays of sports tournaments like esports, where you explain the special moves a competitor did to succeed or fail. Again, a different kind of review with human commentary. Reaction videos are okay where you comment on the original video. Just saying, hey guys, let's watch the latest music video from Rihanna. Watching. That's not okay. What is okay is if you say, oh, she did an amazing thing there. Did you see that dance move? And then you continue reacting to the video. Add human commentary. Don't make it silent. Your facial expressions are not enough. The key question is your video a substitute for the original? Can someone not watch the original after watching your video? If the answer is yes, then you violate fair use guidelines. Your video needs to be transformative and unique so that someone watching your video will still want to watch the original. If you're doing a reaction video or covering a sport event or doing a movie review, they'll still want to watch the original footage if they really like that content. Your own videos also need to be unique and different from each other. Otherwise, you will fall into the repetitious content reason to get demonetized. It basically says viewers must be able to spot differences between videos on the same channel. Don't create videos that look so similar that if you watch one, it's like watching your other videos. Each has to have some unique and transformative value. These rules come from the AdSense program policies, which are in addition to the YouTube policies, around an imperative of originality, which simply means content must be unique. Some level of repetition is allowed. For example, if you use the same intro and outro for your videos, but the bulk of your content is different, that's okay, because the majority of your video is unique. You can have similar content where each video talks specifically about the qualities of the subject you're featuring. Again, as long as there's enough unique elements, it's okay. And you can have short clips of similar objects edited together where you explain how they're connected. The key is explaining, adding narrative to your video. Examples of what is not allowed include songs modified to change the pitch or speed but are otherwise identical to the original. Don't just speed up the song and call it something new. That's not allowed. Do not create similar repetitive content or mindless content with low educational value. Don't have blue, green, red, purple, yellow, ball, and repeat over and over. That's mindless, repetitive kids content. Many of the kids channels were demonetized because of that, but it's not only for kids content. Anything that just feels like it's dumping content on YouTube that's mindless or repetitive is not allowed to be monetized. Guys, make every video count. YouTube will find content that is just farmed or mass-produced and demonetize it. Don't use image slideshows or scrolling text with minimal or no narrative. I've seen many examples of this, like top 10 richest people in the world. Number 1, Jeff Bezos. He's got the most money in text. Bill Gates, number 2. He's the second richest person in the world in text. You have to add human commentary over those types of videos where you're showing photos and describing what is special about that person in that photo. Before, you could have monetized it with just text, but that is no longer allowed according to YouTube's content quality guidelines. Remember, YouTube updates their policies from time to time, and you have to stay current. If you have old videos that used to be monetizable but are no longer, you have to delete them and re-upload them with things that apply to the new rules like human commentary. Those are the points I found most interesting from this article. YouTube updated it back in January 2020 with these more clear examples. Was this helpful to you, Freedom Family? Tell me down there in the comments below if you have important tips to help channels stay monetized and YouTube compliant. Share your tips down there in the comments below so we can all help each other grow together as a family, because that is the spirit of freedom. And click that eye to see my playlist of The George Show, all the videos I've made to help you grow and to keep your channel safe. Now I would like to give one of you a well-deserved shout out. Denny joined Freedom 4 years ago when he was only making pennies a month. He never gave up, and now he has 82,000 subscribers and is making a lot more money. His videos are in Bosnian, and he creates reviews of games like this. And he's got eShark chairs, where he promotes eShark in his channel banner as well, because he's sponsored by them. Well done, Denny. Let's hear how you sound. Roll it!
10.000 lajkova, rolamo intro, idemo na 10. najbolji skin po mom mišljenju.
So he's got good branding. He's consistently showing his logo.
Na 10. mestu se nalazi skin Vulkan koji nam dolazi iz Huntsman.
And he's adding very good commentary, explaining what the video is about, the narrative that YouTube needs for keeping his channel safe. I recommend you do the same. Add your webcam into every video. Add branding. Try to get a sponsorship like eShark. And I'm sure your channel will grow over time just like Denny's did. Check Denny out by clicking the link down there in the description below and let us know what you think of his channel. If you want to get featured on The George Show just like this, we're happy to do it. Just email support@freedom.tm with the reason why you think you deserve a shout out, or just tell me down there in the comments below and I will pick deserving channels to promote on The George Show in future episodes. Normally, I would read your deserving comments now, Freedom Family, but I have to run to bring my kids to the dentist. Even myself, I need a checkup. How often do you guys go to the dentist for cleanings or checkups? We try to go at least once every 6 months, but sometimes it's once a year. All right, Freedom Family, very quickly, who am I? I am your Papa George, George Sunpai, and many other names you, the beautiful Freedom Family, has given me. I am the CEO and founder of Freedom, who is now rushing off to the dentist for Freedom and the Freedom Family, where we all help each other grow together as a family. No, that was not at 1.5 times speed, but it sounds like it. Keep getting your exercise, Freedom Family. I love how you've been sharing the different kinds of exercise you've done in the comments below. Don't stop. Some of you have been cycling like 30 kilometers, Ronaldo. Well done. I'd love to hear more examples of how you keep fit so we can all motivate each other to keep fit. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to Freedom Central, home of The George Show, and gong that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. I am George, and you've been watching
The George Show. Ooh, you dreaming about love. Yeah.
Click that eye to partner with Freedom and join the Freedom Family so we can all grow together. You get many perks like position music. You also get Epidemic Sound, a lot of other access to royalty-free videos, sponsorships, and many things to help
you grow. Just click the links down there in the description below to get involved in our community, our forums, our Discord chat servers, meet our graphics team, meet our community team, all of that on Discord and the forums. What are you waiting for? Get started. And we will grow together as a family, because this is the Freedom Family. You are part of it, we are all part of it, and we're all growing together. To get more George, click that big F. That will subscribe you to Freedom Central, home of The George Show. And PewDiePie gave one of you, Freedom Family, a big shout out. Click that video to see the shout out and to see our new 3D sets for you. And click that video to see what YouTube recommends you watch next.